Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Brave Little Lion. In a distant African savanna, a beautiful and peaceful lion tribe called home. This tribe was led by a wise and courageous lion king named Simon. King Simon and his queen, Queen Layla, had 2 lion cubs, the brave Leon and the intelligent Ina. Leon was a young lion full of courage and vigor. From a young age, he aspired to become as strong as his father and would train every day, honing his strength and skills, preparing to protect the lion tribe in the future. On the other hand, Ina was a smart and understanding lion cub. She loved to read books about the savannah and the world, and always offered wise advice. Although she wasn't as brave as Leon, her wisdom and thoughtful insights were highly valued in the lion tribe. A fierce pack of hyenas appeared on the savannah one day, bringing threats and chaos. King Simon decided to lead the lion tribe in facing this menace and protecting the other animals of the savannah. Leon was eager to join the mission and demonstrate his courage. He asked his father to allow him to participate. Despite being young, he was determined to contribute to the family and the savannah. King Simon hesitated at first, worried about his son's safety. However, Leon was persistent, believing he was ready and did not want to sit idly by. Eventually, King Simon agreed to let Leon join the mission, with the condition that he stay vigilant and follow orders. The lion tribe set out, engaging in a fierce battle with the hyenas. Leon showed great courage and strength, aiding the tribe in successfully repelling the hyenas. This victory strengthened the unity of the lion tribe. King Simon felt immense pride as his son had displayed true bravery. Ina, in the background, had silently supported her family, and her wisdom and intelligence had contributed to the tribe's triumph. This story teaches us that courage and wisdom are key to overcoming challenges. Regardless of age, as long as we are filled with courage, determination, and wisdom, we can achieve great things. Leon and Ina exemplified the importance of family and teamwork, demonstrating that working together can conquer any threat.